Hello everyone, and welcome back to Useful How-To Videos. My name is Mike Sands, your guide to solving tech-related issues. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Hey fellas, if you have a problem with your hair thinning around here and around here, I want to tell you or show you what I used. No joke, and I'm sorry I don't have the pictures accessible to show you, but maybe a few years ago I had the issue where my hair was thinning around here and around here. I mean, you could literally see it, and I have been doing something for the past few years that has helped a lot. I'm not saying this is the only solution, but this is what I use to help. First of all, it's very common to use what's called the minoxidil. I think if you get any product that has this in it, minoxidil, that's one solution. Of course, you have to do that in combination of other, but I just want to show you. The first thing that I use is this minoxidil topical treatment. So it's a foam that I spray on top of my hair. And notice this one is 5%. I hear the higher this concentration is, the better. It just improves your chance of growing your hair faster. But this is what I use, and I get it from Keeps. Let me say again, I'm not saying this is the only solution, but this is a solution that I tried. So I spray this on my hair 2 times a day. 2 times a day I spray it, and I make sure and rub it in the thinning area. The second thing that I use, and it's also I got it from Keeps, is the finasteride right here. You'll see that so finasteride basically is a tablet that you take once a day, and they recommend that you take it about the same time every day. So I take that along with it. Something else I do is I use this roller. It's a derm roller that I bought on Amazon. Should see a picture of it on the screen, but I literally take this and I apply it or roll it on my head. But I literally take it and I roll it in the area that is thinning. And what this is supposed to do is introduce holes to the area to increase blood circulation. Okay, so I do this honestly, I've been doing this about once to twice per week. So I roll it in the area, I'd say about 3 minutes. About 3 minutes per time. I would take this derma roller and I would just roll it. And to be honest with you, I think this has also helped me to have a hairline, or my hairline back, because this hairline was thinning as well. So I use this application, and when I use this roller, I would not use the topical minoxidil, but instead I would use oil that has vitamin E in it. So I would use this, right, and then I would take the oil and I would actually massage it in very good. I would do that for about 24 hours before applying the next minoxidil treatment. Okay, so those 3 things in combination that has helped me very well to growing hair back in the area that was thinning. You'll see, I mean, it was really here. It was really here and here that was thinning. So hope that helps. Give it some time. It definitely is not a fast process. Give it some time. Like I say, I probably would expect results. Give it a full year before seeing any results. I've seen some people say 3 months, 6 months. Give it about a year. And it helps that I cut my hair. It helps that I cut my hair for myself. So what I would be careful to do, and if you go to a barber, just ask him. I would be very careful about cutting in the thinning area. I would maybe use a scissors or use a guard on my trimmer just to make sure that it's looking even. But like I said, give yourself some time, about a year, before seeing the results that you want to see. That's my take, guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover in a future video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.